It's another wonderful day in the world of online business. So today we're actually going to be doing another Squarespace tutorial where we talk about how to actually add videos into your content so that you can have seamless videos play while people are reading something or they're scrolling through your site. It really adds another element to your site, being able to have that, so maybe the people that aren't necessarily interested in reading, maybe they're visual learners, they would prefer to do something and interact with a video. And if you're new here, my name is Matthew and I bring you business tips and tricks to help propel your business forward. So if I can help you do that, really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button down there in the bottom right and ringing that bell. Otherwise, let's just go ahead and jump into it. You actually just wanted to come in to where you can see your Squarespace websites and click on the appropriate site that you're wanting to work on. And then once you get in there, it's going to bring up another menu where you can go in and look at where you actually want to add in a particular video. So let's just say here on the front page of my site, I want to add in a video, so I actually can just hit edit. I looked where I want to add it by these teardrops. So maybe I'm wanting a video that talks about customers' social media use. You click the teardrop and there's going to be a couple of different options here. You can just click on the video right here, and then actually it's as easy as finding the URL. So let's just go to YouTube and find a video that we would like to use. In this case, let's use Philip DeFranco here. I love his channel. Go check him out if you haven't. So I'm going to grab that, just copy the URL, and then pop it in there. And what it actually will do is pull in the thumbnail that's used. You can add a custom thumbnail if you want. And then here is the description that it pulls in from the video. You can leave that in. I don't think it particularly matters. But you know, it's up to you. So yeah, it's as easy as that. And you just hit apply and it's right there within your site. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. I actually really enjoy doing the Squarespace series because I enjoy the site a lot. The builder is a great tool for up and coming businesses, people who are wanting to improve upon existing services. So it's pretty cool. I enjoy doing it. If I helped you out today, I really appreciate that thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.